Here I have VIVO Y200, and today I'm going to show you how to enter fastboot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up, and for a couple of seconds like this. And after that you will end up in the fastboot mode. So here at the fastboot mode you can just navigate with volume keys and select with power key, and you only have these options like reboot and recovery mode. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option reboot and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.